Hey, Michael Reddig here. I just want to give you a quick overview of my eggScreenFix plugin. What you'll need for this plugin is your original green screen footage and a pass of the green screen without the foreground in it. As you can see here, I didn't actually get a shot of the foreground absent in the background, so I had to create one myself by just painting in where they overlap. And unfortunately, the subject didn't actually completely move out of the frame at all, so I had to fill in the area with what was the brightest color of the background. So if you have to do this, fill in the empty area with what would be the highest, brightest color in the background. So the first thing you do is you select your footage and apply the wonderful magic eggScreenFix plugin. And you go into the plugin settings and you drag your clean screen into the clean screen drop there. And then you can double check that, hey, yeah, the aspect ratios match up here, because you can sometimes get a little messy with pixel aspect ratios with these drop boxes, drop zones I should say. And so here you can see that they match up just fine. And then what we're going to do is we're going to set the background color as the brightest color in the background. And then it's going to fill in the shadows to match the brightest color. So finally, all you do is switch this composition to the final corrected plate, and it'll show you your magically corrected scene here. You'll notice that the colors in the background are now going to be much easier to pull a mat on, and at the very worst, where we couldn't actually fill in the overlap between the foreground and the background, it's not going to be any worse off than it was before. Now, there are two other sliders here. If you're having trouble getting some green screen showing through on your foreground subject, you're going to try to pull this slider in until it kind of disappears off of your foreground. And, you know, you may or may not have that issue. So you notice that it also causes issues elsewhere. So limit the amount that you pull that slider in as much as you can. And the match screen also does a very similar thing, except if your green screen is having trouble matching against itself, this is where you pull it in the other direction, and it does the same thing there to help you match your green screen. Once you have the screen fixed, you can feel free to pull the green screen with either my plugin, eggScreen Pro, or even the built-in keyer with Motion 5. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you get going strong. Quick mention of credits here. All of the plugin logos were designed by the wonderfully talented Megan Bjornstad. If you are in the market for any sort of design work, I would highly recommend checking out her site at meganbjornstad.com and contact her through that. Additionally, all green screen footage was provided by the Hollywood Camera Work website, which is hollywoodcamerawork, that's all one word, .us. Head over there and check out what training they have to offer in addition to the sample green screen plates they have.